Hello everybody, my name is Game User Game, and today we are going to be doing the best class ever with the spanner and the power. Let's do this now, okay? That's the next gun. I was playing around with it. Okay, be careful. I'm not the best with this gun, so don't hate on me. Don't hate on me, bro. There you go, one kill. Alright. Hey pal, you wondered where I went? Confusion. Just go down the steps, I love that. Kicking people's asses. I saw him! He cross-mapped me there. Cross-mapped me. I had to re-record this video that I'm recording right now, because I had echo in my video. So that wasn't the best thing. You don't want to hear my voice twice. I was yelling way too much in that video. Anyway, so we gotta go tactical. We can't just go. I am not here. Oh shit. Was he watching me? Oh, he was trying to figure out how he could shoot me without alerting me. Oh shit. Little ass. That guy. There's always that second guy that comes out of nowhere. And before this video, the one I made before this, I was yelling way too much, so it echoed, so I couldn't. Yeah, that's that. But the spanner is way better. It's a great gun. He's dead. Of course he's dead. The assist. What? Are you serious right now? Okay, let's try to use this. I'm gonna suck with this gun. So afraid to use this gun. See, that's why I'm so afraid to use it. It's not the best gun. It just looks cool. See, even though it's... Why does everybody use a sniper? Why does everybody use a sniper in this game? Are you serious right now? You're 4-12. My tactical gameplay is not working right now. I'm dead. They all know where I'm at right now. The assist? What? Can't let that guy get away from me. No! They always kill him. Keep circling. God dang it. That sucks. Oh my gosh, this game, I swear. Oh god, that guy's... Yeah! Spanner rocking and rolling here. Wait, what? It's rocking and a rolling. Well, those epic moves right there, man. It's ridiculous. What? Oh. Oh my! They're all just sitting there. That was kind of a yelling thing. They did know I was there. Shoot. I was gonna hide there. Ah, they did see me. Come on. Damn it. I'm really good with grenades. Oh god. Yep, I knew I was gonna get killed there. There's no way out of that one. Got him. Got him. He almost walked right into the own grenade there. Woo! We got defeated. Wow, great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the best class. And I was the last one to die, of course. Best class video. Well, look at that, right past his face. Best class video. If you guys enjoyed this. Those two guns with the Spanner and the Quantum, even though I rarely use the Quantum because I'm not a big fan of laser guns. If you are, that's a great gun to use. Just type in the DSL code if you got the retailed version of the game. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe for more. And it helps me out a lot. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.